Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the problems on hydrology. It is a rain gauge recording problem. So these are the types of questions might be asked in a GATE examination. So we just move on to the first problem. Normal annual rainfall at meteorological stations P, Q and R are 1606, 1803 and 1653 mm in respectively. In 1999, the station Q was inoperative. In a certain year, 1999, this station Q was inoperative. The other stations are recorded, such as 1530 and 1451 mm. So we want to find the annual rainfall at Q in 1999, and we want to find the Q annual rainfall. So just write it down the formula. P of x is equal to nx divided by m bracket of n1 by p1 n2 by p2. Here nx represents the missing station and m represents the number of stations. So therefore you can write it down. P of x is equal to number of stations, here 2 stations, and n of x is 1803, which is you want to write this value as n of x. So therefore n1 is equal to So 1503 divided by 1606 plus 1451 divided by 1653. So when you calculate these values, substitute those values. 1803 divided by 2 into 1.83047. So P of x is equal to, when you cancel this and substitute these values, you can get the answer 1650.173 mm. So this is the required answer. In 1999, the station Q recorded annual rainfall of 1650.173 mm. So next question, same process. In a basin, rainfall is recorded in 5 automatic weather stations A, B, C, D and E with respective average rainfall. Here they have given the average rainfall 1020, 810, 675, 940 and 780 mm. So and then in a particular year, the station A was inoperative. In a certain year, it was inoperative and the non-operation, and the remaining station B, C, D, E and E are recorded. B, C 890, 725, 980 and 850 mm they have recorded. By the way, we want to find the estimated rainfall of the station A in that particular year. We want to find the rainfall at this station in a certain year. So you all know that the formula x is equal to n of x by number of stations m divided by n1 divided by p1, n2 divided by p2, n3 divided by p3, so go on. So substitute these values. 1020, how many stations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 stations are there. So and then bracket 890 by 810 plus 725 divided by 675 plus 980 divided by 940 plus 850 divided by 780. So by the way, When you calculated this, you can get 255 into 4.3051, and the final answer Vfx is equal to 1098 mm. So at a particular station A, annual recorded rainfall on a particular area is 1098 mm. So next question. The annual rainfall for a 5 rain gauge station, they had given the 5 rain gauges, same problem, A, B, C, D and E. In GATE, you see, they will repeat some of the easiest topics in a repeated way because there are no other questions to be asked in examination. So you have to focus on the problems which are already asked in the previous year's question papers. So just more the problem. A, it is 112.7, on 120.4, 118.3 mm, 125.2 and 110.6 centimeter. In a particular year, the rain gauge installed at C was failed. This is failed. In the same year, the rain gauge stations at A, B, D and recorded annual rainfall. A, B, D is 149, 118.3, 122.6 and 114.5 centimeter. Estimate the rainfall at C. We want to find the estimation of rainfall at C. We have x is equal to x divided by m into n1 by p1, n2 by p2, so on. So by the way, 118.3 divided by 4 and n1 is 114.9 by 112.7 plus 118.3 divided by 120.4 plus 122.6 divided by 125.2 plus 114.5 divided by 110.6. When you calculated this, you can get the answer 29.575 into 1.0195 plus 0.982 plus 0.979 plus 1.035. So when you multiply those answers, you can get answer of 118.759 centimeter. So at the station C in a particular year, the recorded annual rainfall is 118.759 centimeter. So this is the answer. So you can easily sort out these questions because it saves more time. It is easy questions. Sometimes it is asked in 2 marks, sometimes it is asked in 1 marks. So concentrate on like these problems so you can get a good marks. Thank you.